Hello friends, as mentioned in our last videos about Raja Ampat, we were there in last year and traveled the region around Kri Island since we were both very passionate divers and wanted to go diving here. And we must tell you it was really worth it. We completed 21 dives together, so we want to make a video about diving in Raja Ampat. So first we want to tell you some basics about the diving in Raja Ampat, and then we want to give you a little insight into the diving school we've chosen. From our point of view, there's no real off-season in Raja Ampat. Mainly there are two seasons. First there's the manta season, the main season. The season runs from October to March, and there's very nutrient-rich water and a lot of plankton in the area around Raja Ampat. So you have like big fish like manta rays, dolphins, and very big stuff there. You can watch them around. However, due to there's being a lot of plankton in the water, the visibility can be a little bit lower. The visibility is better from April to September in the low season, but large fish such as sharks, manta rays and dolphins can also be seen there, but not that much. It really depends whether you're lucky or not. If you are interested in macro life, you have come to the right place in Raja Ampat. There's really a lot of crazy things you can discover underwater here. So we visited Raja Ampat in the low season. For us, this had the advantage that we sometimes had an entire diving boat for us. Here we are able to complete very individually dives with our guide, and that was a lot of fun. Diving in Raja Ampat is more suitable for advanced divers. We recommend to owning at least the advanced open water diver certification. Unforeseen currents can arise at any time. Some of these are very strong, so you have to dive with a reef hook. While hooked, you can watch the fish playing around the current. And there's one golden rule called no current, no fish. So we were able to learn a lot while diving Raja Ampat and discovered diving in currents. Mainly we learned to let the current work for you and don't try to fight against it. You will lose this battle and pay it with a lot of breathing air losing in your tank. In total we can say that the marine life in Raja Ampat is really alive, so you don't see a lot of dead corals or something like that. And the marine diversity is very high, so you can see from the big stuff to very, very small stuff. Kind of everything. Thanks to the location of Raja Ampat in the heart of the Coral Triangle, Raja Ampat is home of the richest coral reef ecosystem with one of the highest concentrations of marine life and coral species on the planet. For divers, it's the real paradise and the dream comes true. It's truly one of the few places on Earth where one could witness a wide range of marine life and their natural habitat. In total fact, there's around 75% of the world marine species that live here. For diving, we choose the Soul Diving Center, which is located on Kri Island. The diving center is run by a Frenchman and Annie from Finland. Annie runs the store and shows you everything you need. Our dive guide was mostly Janton. Janton is very experienced and always conveys absolute calm and serenity. We think nothing bothers this guy, so you feel very safe when you dive with Janton. The diving center was under renovation at the time of our visit, so we don't show you much about the diving center and the area around. If you want to see more and what they did there, you have to look on the Instagram account. We think it absolutely turned very nice. The diving center itself has several boats that go out every day. So there are 2 morning dives and 1 afternoon dive. And excursions to various attractions in the area are available kind of every day. Here we can particularly recommend the trip to Pier Nemo and the dive at Melissa's Garden. In our opinion, every diver should have dived once in Melissa's Garden. For divers, it's absolute paradise. You can see soft corals, hard corals, really big stuff like sharks. For us it was paradise, and even the view from Pier Nemo viewpoint was absolutely nice. And even while the surface intervals, you just go to several places around Raja Ampat, like the small islands you can see in the video, or really nice beaches, and you can explore the region very nice while diving. In total, we would like to thank the entire team from Soul Divers for the wonderful time. We're currently considering taking our Dive Master cruise there, so that shows how much we enjoyed it and that the region touched our hearts. That was our last video about the adventure in Raja Ampat. We hope you liked the videos. And our next stop will be Maldives, so see you soon.